Hello all, welcome to Binary Programming. So in this video we will solve the second challenge of Salesforce mobile app customization module. The name of the challenge is create global quick actions. So we will quickly move to the challenge. So here it is. So we need to create a global quick action for adding a new opportunity. We have given some steps which we need to follow to complete the challenge. So let's move to the playground. So we are in the playground. Here we need to type global actions. And here it is. In the global actions, we need to create a global action of type create a record. So we'll click on new action. Then action type is create a record. There are other options also, but we need to create a global action for create a record. The target object for us is opportunity. So we'll select opportunity from this drop down. And label they have given us, label is new offer. So we'll copy from here and paste it here. So we are done with this screen. We'll click on save. So the next screen, in this next screen we have some options here to change the fields in this page layout of the new action. This is the page layout of the new action which we have created. So in this page layout we need to include 4 fields: opportunity name, close date, stage and amount. So opportunity name is already there, account name is not there, so we have to remove it. Close date is there, stage is there and amount is there. So next step, we need to remove the next step also. So these are the 4 fields which we need to have in the page layout. We will click on save. The next step is set the predefined value of the stage field to the qualification. So we need to set a predefined values. So here in this portion we will click on new, and from here we need to stage field, we need to select the stage field, and specific value is there. So specific value we need to set as a qualification. So in this specific value drop down we will select the value as qualification and we'll click on save. So we are done with the steps given in this challenge, and it is taking some time to load. So yes, here is the new offer global action which we have just created. So we are done with the challenge. Let's see whether we have completed it right or not. So yes, we got the 500 points for completing the challenge. I'll see you guys in the next challenge. Thank you for being here.